drifting over. Are you kidding me?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is really exciting for me because today's my birthday. And I have like so many endorphins right now because first of all, I'm a big birthday person. I love birthdays. And also, I just got back from the gym. I did a killer leg workout. If you guys want me to film that for you next time, it was incredible. It was very hamstring and glute heavy and it was great. I threw some quads in there as well, but it was just a great workout. So if you want me to film that for you next time, it was incredible. I only have a couple minutes to film. I don't have the most ideal setup. I put like all my face products in this tin, so it's just like gonna sit on my lap and I'm gonna like try to see what I'm doing here. I have the viewfinder like down right there, so if I'm looking right here, that's because I'm looking at the viewfinder just trying to see if I'm in focus. I know the lighting's not super ideal, but I only have a couple minutes to film and I really wanted to film. Also, this summer you should be expecting a lot more videos from me. These past couple of months have been super busy, but like in the summer, I really want to focus on filming and uploading, whether it be like makeup or workouts, fashion, you know, hauls, whatever you want, let me know because I would be so down to film whatever. And yeah, I'm just so excited. Make sure you guys subscribe and click the bell next to subscribe button so you get notified when I upload a video because otherwise you're probably going to miss a video. YouTube's changing things up, so if you don't click that bell, you probably won't get notified for any video. So yeah, make sure you click that bell so I show up in your subscription box. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, comment down below what month your birthday is in. I want to see where my YouTube fans at with the birthdays. So let me know down below what month your birthday is in. Oh, also, one more thing. I'm running to go to a graduation party, so my makeup's going to be a little bit more light. But then when I get home, I'm going to, you know, heavy it up a little bit. Throw on some extra glitter. You know the drill. It's my birthday. Gotta have the glitter, so. I mean, you probably know this, but maybe you don't know this, but if you didn't know, I'm a makeup artist, so I went to this event with Giorgio Armani's team, and they gave out these in the little goodie bags, and I'm so excited to use this. I haven't used it yet, but it looks like so bougie. It's the Touche Eclat Blur Primer. I have no idea if that's how you say it or not, but it's so cute. It literally has gold specks in it, and it's like a dofa applicator. I'm like, I don't have a mirror. It's like the no makeup mirror challenge, so let's see how this is gonna work. Alright, I'm just gonna start with a little bit and ooh, that feels really good. And oh my god, you guys, this smells incredible. What the hell is in this? Wow, okay. 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 Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, by the way, I just washed my face and moisturized my face as well with the two products I always use. If you guys want a skincare routine, products, favorites video, whatever, let me know. Alright, I'm going to go in with a little bit of Makeup Forever HD foundation, my favorite. Oh, sorry, Ultra HD foundation. I am in the shade R30, just my shade, because I'm a pale bitch. Okay. I'm going to go in with the Morphe M439. I was like, I'm going to go in. So yeah, I cannot see what I'm doing. So, you know, it's kind of like a no mirror makeup challenge and we'll see how it goes. I just really wanted to film. But I don't think you guys can even tell the difference because I used a super, I used a super light layer. I need to show you this shirt. It's so cute. It's just so cute. So I like the back of the shirt. I had to show you the front's like but the back, like, you know, what's that thing? Business in the front, party in the back. What is that thing? I don't know. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, my tried and true. I also love the Tarte Shape Tape. That's like a little bit more full coverage. And this is like pretty full coverage. But that's like full coverage. I don't know. They're both full coverage, but that one's thicker and like, honestly, I just didn't put it in the basket right there, so I don't have time to go back in my bathroom and grab it. Oh, I have some primer in my hair. That's lovely. If you guys want like an in-depth, like really in-depth makeup tutorial, let your girl know and I will do that for you, for sure. Because I feel like those are missing on YouTube, you know what I mean? Like, they used to be a big thing where people would like explain everything they're doing, but now it's just like, and let's get the highlight popping and that's it. You know what I mean? I'm not against the highlight. I definitely highlight a lot, but still, I'm just taking a damp beauty sponge and blending in my concealer, and I'm also blending it on my eyelid to use as a primer for my eyeshadow because ain't nobody got time or money to buy eye primer. Oh, that blended out really nicely. Guys, I'm so sorry. You cannot even see what the hell I'm doing right now. I'm like really sorry about it, but I don't have the most ideal setup, I'm telling you, but I'm making it work. If you guys want fuller coverage, go in, add another layer, whatever the hell you want, but I am keeping it nice and natural, you know? Because like tonight I'll throw on the glitter. I'm just setting it, and I'm not brushing it around, I'm really just pressing because I don't want to like brush the product everywhere and, you know, mess everything up. I am going to set my under eyes and I'll be right back. I'm on low battery now. I really hope it doesn't die on me. I'm going to use the Neutrogena bronzer that I love, and also MAC Melba for bronzer and blush. I'm going to spray some MAC Fix Plus just to, you know, blend all the layers that I have down together so it looks all like natural. I am loving the way my skin's looking. You really can't tell right now, but the primer I think made like a huge difference. I grabbed the Morphe E3 and mine's broken, so I have to hold it by like the handle, like the ferrule of the brush. But it adds just like the most beautiful glow ever. It's like so beautiful and super natural as well. But you just have to be careful because it is kind of pigmented, so just don't go too heavy-handed. You know, you can always add more, but it's a lot harder to take it away. I'm going in with a Morphe. Morphe sponsor me. I'm kidding. I use a lot of different brushes, but this is the Morphe E4. This is the Melba, Max Melba. It's like so beautiful. I'm literally doing this without a mirror right now, so if it looks horrible, I'm sorry. It's like a no mirror makeup challenge, but I wanted to film it for you guys. So, and my camera's about to die as well. But I'm going to put in a couple pictures at probably like the beginning or the end, or maybe both, so you can actually see what it looks like, just even on some like iPhone lighting, you know. So for highlight, I'm using Jlynn Hill and Becca Cosmetics collaboration, and I'm mixing Champagne and Prosecco Pop together, just the two shades, which are so beautiful. Wait, my makeup looks pretty good. Okay. Could I just use this as a mirror, you know? So yeah, I'm highlighting the top of my cheekbone, and then I'm wrapping it around to above my brow, which normally I do my brows first, but today is just like an all out of order kind of day. A beautiful glow. And the camera, of course, is not picking it up because it just doesn't want to be my friend today. But again, I'm going to go in with Fix Plus and spray it to get that highlight just very much popping. Okay, I'm going to go do my brows with Anastasia Brow Definer, set it with Anastasia Clear Brow Gel, and I'll be right back. Up this highlight. Oh, there we go. You can kind of see it. Isn't it so pretty? Champagne Pop and Prosecco Pop are gorgeous. So, anyway, we already knew that. I'm just using this palette right here. Why is it the lighting is so dark right now? I don't have another light that I could put on now. This is like the palette that I created that is like all of my go-to neutrals. So if you want me to like go through all of these and do swatches, I can totally do that for you. But these are the 4 brushes I'm using for my eyeshadow look today. I'm using the Morphe M433, the MAC 217, the MAC 242, and the Sigma E40. So I'm going to start out with the Sigma E40. Just a blending brush, and I'm going to, I already set my lids, so I'm just starting out here with Creme Brulee and Peach Smoothie, which is just, they're just 2 amazing Makeup Geek shadows. And I'm going to use this palette so I can actually see what I'm doing with the mirror inside of it. Okay. So I'm just blending this in and just sort of buffing this in circular motions, because right now I just have like a nice blank slate and I want to start building up and adding in some dimension. This is Sidekick from Makeup Geek. It's lighter than Cocoa Bear, but it's still sort of building up darker, and I'm doing this without a mirror right now. placing it first in the inner corner, the outer corner, and then sort of buffing it a little bit and a little bit into the crease, because the first place that you put your brush down, that's going to be the most pigmented, even though you blend it out, of course. So I always like to start where I want it the most pigmented, which is, in this case, the outer corner. This is a Giorgio Armani liquid eyeshadow, and this is in the shade 11. It's very gorgeous. It has like some pink flecks, some gold flecks. Ooh, I just dropped it. But yeah, it's really, really pretty. And so I'm going to go in with that. Do this. I think I'm actually just going to go in with a MAC 242 and pick it up off the back of my hand and place it on my lid. Just because I don't want it as sort of like pigmented as it would be if I just went straight on it with the lid, because I just sort of am using it actually for a base and not for like the main star of the show. I wish I had those Stilo ones, but I don't. But yeah, I'm using it as more of like a base rather than the star of the show, because this is a little bit too pink for what I want right now. I want something a little bit more golden and a little bit less pink. But this is still like a really pretty sort of pinkish gold shade, but I sort of want like a more of a true like champagne gold shade on the lid. So, but yeah, it's still really, really pretty, and I'm actually going to go in and put some of Champagne Pop on top of it just to kind of set it, because it is cream. But yeah, that looks really pretty. And Morphe M433. And I am going to go in again with that Sidekick color and just sort of blend. Okay, so it's actually really nice, really pretty. I think I'm going to add a little bit more of like a neutral brown tone to it, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to grab my MAC 242 and just a lighter shimmer. I think I'm gonna grab Shimma Shimma from Makeup Geek, which is like this super pretty light shimmer shade, which is like gorgeous, and I'm just gonna put it on like the very sort of inner corner, almost like an ombre with the shimmer shades, and put it in like the very inner corner just as like an inner corner highlight. Just gonna spray. I'm like really empty on Fix Plus. I need more, but are more blended in person, so I don't know why they look like a little bit more harsh on camera. I don't know. I'm not. Yeah, but like, these are the eyes right now. If you guys want like more of an in-depth tutorial where like you're actually zoomed in and you can actually see what I'm doing, I'm gonna try to figure out a better lighting, because this is just not working out, but that's okay. So yeah, if you guys want that, let me know and I'll just tell you how I got all this. Okay, I'm just gonna curl my lashes and put on some mascara, and I will be right back to close out the video. This is the finished look. It is, sorry, the lighting was like horrendous, but I love the lips, the eyes, everything. So yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed getting ready with me. The products I used on my lips, of course I'll link everything down below, but first I used the new Bite glaze, the new Bite lippy in the shade Glace, and then I used Sugar from Marc Jacobs, and then I used a MAC Dazzle Glass in Prancin' Dancin', which is like a beautiful Dazzle Glass. So yeah, it's definitely a lot of things on the lips, but I think it looks really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and click subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss another video from me. You can be expecting a lot more videos this summer. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!